Alright, here's number 20. And yeah, this riddle features this, what is this? Super small strings or something. Alright, and the next scene, here we go. What is this? I'm super proud of this recording. This is water inside this net. So yeah, it's kind of cool to have filmed this. So there's the gun. And here is like the mixture after the water has done its job basically. And here's sort of a whole front of water soaking in. Yeah. So think about this. What could this be? Was already on my channel. Yes. And here comes the stopper. Here we go, it's solution time, and the solution is, da-da, cotton candy. So yeah, it's like special unicorn cotton candy, but it's completely sufficient if you know cotton candy. And let's have a look. So we go ahead, let's have a look at normal view. And here it is. It smells like vanilla. I don't know, it doesn't smell a lot, it smells like building materials. And here we get all the structure you saw under the microscope. And yeah, if you have saw my channel, you know what happens with cotton candy and water. So if you don't know, I show you. If you're new to my channel, I show you. Yes, it's like cotton candy in the glass. And now I drop some water, here we go. Just some here, and there it's gone. And if I drop more, it's also gone. It's magic. There we go. It's magic. No! I help a little bit. Now it smells good. Alright. Alright, nothing more to say really. Yeah, congratulations to all the winners, of course. Yeah, I tried to like and give a heart to like all players, but sometimes I'm not able to. But I hope you do play anyways. And it's over for this one. And thanks for watching.